need a film today.
Oh, yeah, let's go up to Colmar. We had a record month in August. We got a great team there, and we can go celebrate with them. Oh man, look at those. Look at those donuts.
The monster donut's crazy.
Dude, I gotta get a picture of that for my daughter. Dozen donuts for the guys, one for me and you. What's the pork roll? Let's roll. So we're here in Colmar, PA at one of my favorite shops. The story behind this one is we bought it in 2019 after multiple owners had failed here. It was like a Goodyear, it was another tire store, it wasn't Midas, and ultimately it never made money. They just had tons of trouble, and we basically got like a killer deal on this thing. You know, it took us a couple years, but we finally have a great team in here. We just had another record-setting month in August. September here is gonna be pretty close. We're really excited to just continue to grow, to serve the community, and let's go check it out. This guy got some yum-yums. There you go. You ever have these?
Oh, yeah. Come on.
This lady told us this is the best one. What was it called?
Oh, Dutch crumb or something?
You familiar?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, I got you guys some donuts.
What's up, man? How you doing? What you got here?
Some yum-yums?
Everybody likes yum-yums.
Yeah.
They're better than Dunkin'.
Oh yeah, that's what I said. I'm not
Are
kidding.
they for us?
Yeah.
What?
All right, we can get one.
Yeah, I'll wash my hands first.
It's probably
I feel wrong.
that's probably the right thing to do. Heard you guys had a good day yesterday.
We have food and all that good stuff out there.
Yeah.
It was all right.
What do you got on this thing?
It's just I'm looking it over right now
Some
and
tires.
creating the list. It's definitely getting tires. It's already on there.
The belt's cracked.
Oh yeah, I got that already written down.
Yeah. Yeah. The serpentine belt, which drives like the alternator. See how the cracks go all the way to the bottom there? Yeah, we'll start to thread, and then eventually, yeah, it could tear or lock up, and then your car won't start. Okay, so yeah, we have like a night drop box, so basically people can come and drop off, you know, put their keys in, put all their information. Please describe your problems. Cracked control arms, bad brakes, trouble turning the wheel. After driving, when turning the wheel, car makes loud whining noise. Grinding when braking, car shakes, driving at high speeds. So, yeah, we got some.
Is there like?
We got some issues, but that's fine.
How much opportunity do you think you get with the overnight drop-off thing?
It's really customers who, you know, trust us and they've been here and they know us, and you know, they drop it off and they pretty much say, you know, check it out, give me a call, you know, versus, you know, newer people, you know, you got to build that trust a little bit more. You know, it looks like they've already approved the work because those are new. So and these are coated too, so like there's different types of rotors. So why I can't fix cars, I sold repair work for many years. It's like more of a matte finish. So there's like a coating on those, and the coating's supposed to help the longevity, help reduce rust, helps be quieter. But we mentioned this, you know, this car needing tires. We can see like, so some of the things you look for, see how cracked and low, and so these are tread wear bars. So basically when the tread of the tire gets equal with those bars, that's a visual signal that they need to get replaced. And then so you think about, you know, your tire going through a big puddle of rain. You know, the point of a tire, these are channels, so they're supposed to channel the water. As the tire gets worn down, there's no channels, and then there's no grip. So like, you know, all these are little grippies that give you traction, and it's gonna be night and day for this customer getting these things replaced. So here's like a new tire. Actually, I think these are the ones going on this car, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so these are the new ones. As you can see, you go through a big puddle, right? You got all these channels able to cut through the water, you know, get it out there. You know, you have tons of grip compared to this one.
Yeah, way better. Like a full like.
Yeah, you can actually stick your fingers in it, right? Versus this, you'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. So, especially as we get towards winter and you have ice and everything else, like tires are a huge part of, you know, the safety on your car. It's what actually stops your car. People think the brakes stop the car, but you can have the best brakes in the world, but if you've got a bunch of slicks, like you're gonna hit the brakes and you're gonna keep sliding, right? There's a bunch of data around, you know, when tires get worn, the distance, like your stopping distance increases. It's something like 50% like greater, you know, distance to stop when your tires are worn out. You know, it's good they're getting it done.
Gotta get new tires.
Yeah, here at Midas.
This is the Colmar secret sauce.
Yeah.
This is the belt trash.
With the belt trash cans comes your
The trash.
it's your trash
What do
caddy.
they call them, like a hobo, like?
I'm telling you, they create. I bet they create a sled, trash sled.
Did they run them all together?
Yeah, they run them together. Yeah. This was actually done years ago by the previous owner before we bought it. The red paint is really hard to do the right way. Is if you use cheap paint or not the right paint, red can fade in all the sun. What we end up using is this. It's like an epoxy, so it's more than just like regular paint. It's like thick. They gotta like mix it the day of and all that stuff, but then it lasts forever. So if some of my other stores super bright red for a long time, it's expensive. It's a little hard to put on, but it lasts forever. Versus you can kind of see up here, you know, the effects of the sun. You know, this is one of the stores that's on our list as we kind of go go through and start remodeling the stores, getting them upgraded, and really making them ours. Got it. Some DIY. Customer broke it. Oh, what happened?
You drop a wrench?
10 mil. It's always a 10 mil.
Yeah.
10 mil. It's always a 10 millimeter and you lose it.
Is it gone forever?
I don't know. Possibly.
At one point, probably 10.
He got it.
Yes. I had a whole stockpile of 10 mils.
Yeah.
I literally probably only got 2 or 3. And that was starting, 15 years, 20 years ago.
Yeah, so here's the old one. This whole thing disintegrated. See the whole thing, the guy's wheel was just sitting there. Because the car is old and help save him some money. This is the one from the junkyard. Better shape, it's solid. They'll clean it up. We'll coat it to help reduce some of the rusting on it. And, Cybertruck.
Elon about
Is that Elon?
It's Elon.
My wife sent me this reel of raccoons, thinking the top of that's like a dumpster. And so they're like in there trying to like pull it open to get it open because they think there's
trash.
food and stuff. They think it looks like a dumpster, which it kind of does. Let a Cybertruck pull up. State inspection, probably. Oh, it's an appointment. Change your oil. Dude, no, that's fine. I don't want to talk to you either. Busy, huh?
Yeah, that's what we want, right? We won $1,200 for a new one.
Yeah.
We got the whole assembly for $500. He requested us to paint it for him so it doesn't rust out like this
Yeah.
one. Came in like this.
I know, you see the whole thing.
Yeah, he drove it from behind Zoders.
That's pretty good.
It's nuts.
Have you been to a Cybertruck?
No,
Yeah,
I've seen him drive by, but that's the only thing I've ever seen.
We have a question. What's up with all the belts on the trash cans?
Easy to pull.
See, so it's like a reindeer.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you got like 3 of them, you got
Yeah, you just go all 3. Okay.
time between.
Yeah.
My old shop, we actually we had one guy that literally had a truck.
I haven't seen it at any other stores.
Every night we would just go he would come over with his truck, we would just like lift him up into his truck and
And then you drive them to the.
yeah. That was like it was a nice little tradition we had. Like, okay, time to clean up.
Yeah. Are you familiar with this Project Spark? Have you heard of this? No. So
I've heard of
the thing
it.
we're doing at Midas, so we're trying to find a car that we can like fix up and donate to somebody in need.
We've actually done that here.
Yeah. So
We've done that here before you even.
Yeah. So we're looking for cars. If you come across anybody who has a car that they'd want to like donate, there's this nonprofit that they'll like help them do the paperwork so they can get the actual like value for donation. And then we work with like the vendors. The vendors they donate the parts and then we fix it up. And then there's just like effort to find somebody who. Yeah. So keep your ear out if you find somebody A who's like in need or B has a car they want to donate, and we can get it done. There's an evap leak, right?
Yeah.
Can you just duct tape it?
We don't approve those. We don't approve that, Brian.
This used to be a Goodyear
Yeah.
back in the day. We bought it. It was doing $600,000, breaking even / losing money.
Well, these guys are all getting a steak dinner if we hit the 1.2 million.
That's right.
As of right now, at this moment, next week for this whole year, we should be. It's like 979 right now.
Okay.
Before tax.
That's not our money.
Not yet.
It's the government's
It
money.
should be.
I got this new friend in Detroit. All 6-bay shops. He does $4 million a store. Crazy. All the same average. He does $16 million across 4 stores.
But he does everything, I'm guessing.
No, all
Just
the
do
same.
motors, no transmission.
He doesn't want to. He just wants to do all the
Basic
same
stuff.
stuff we do. In and out. His whole thing is sense of urgency. You get a car in, you inspect it. Like anything you're waiting on, like for this car, like he would have that out and the next car pulled in. Like if they're waiting on a callback, like it's out and then they'll pull it and then they'll order then they sell it, and then once the parts gets here, then they bring it back in. Like they don't want to tie up a bay. But like a lot of his thing was like just turning the bays as quickly as you can. I got this guy, that friend I know, or the guy I know off Twitter, and all he does is mobile brakes. And like that idea. Higher margin.
Yeah, great, good margin for it, but it's just like, God forbid something happens.
I know. This is why we're not doing
That's the whole reason why I tell people don't try to do your own stuff, because if you do your own, you're
That's why we got the tow truck though. We just
You had such a big opportunity. I should have just done the beers towing.
I know.
That would have been so much cooler.
I know. Well, we wanted to get police work, and then we're like, if it's beers, and we're like, show up to a DUI, like a DUI, and like a car crash, and someone died because of someone drinking, and it's like, I don't know. That was very tempting. I even made a hat.
Oh, you did?
He workshop.
What's that?
Dude, ChatGPT. Dude, I'll show you.
Oh, that would have looked great.
Let me see the hat.
I
Like
know.
old school coloring on it too, like that. Yeah. That
Well,
would've
we're
been
still gonna
great.
make the Rockies in a similar fashion.
Okay, that does look good.
You'd wear that. Rockies. They destroyed on one of the new trucks we got.
I saw that on your video. That was a mess.
Uh-huh.
And it was at a dealership.
Yeah, it was in Jenkintown.
They must have been happy with it.
Content.
They were totally fine. They didn't.
Like,
Nobody even came out. They were just
no one
like,
helped you.
Ray just went in and got towels. All they had was those. Well, they had a couple pig blankets or whatever, and then I mean, there were spills like all over it was a service lot, so like
They don't have.
if it was some
community
lady's house, yeah, I think it would have been we would have been paying for a power wash and.
And the question is, like, can you still work with this? No.
We had a job to go to.
On the way back, as soon as we left that, we passed 2 cars that rammed into each other, and there was no tow truck there. We're like, oh.
Something that has been a plague in the automotive industry: fake stickers. If you look in the back, you'll see that they're holographic.
Yeah. Are they not normally?
A traditional sticker would have your actual information on the back of the sticker and all, but this is something we are seeing that is screwing people in the industry. It is a massive fine if you get hit with this. People are paying for these stickers like $80, $90 to get done, when you can come to a Midas and get it done for 49 bucks for the real thing. We actually had someone fake a sticker with our number on it. They had took the original backing of the old sticker, which is this is our sticker that we did.
Yeah.
They reused it.
It's pretty impressive.
We saw that. We called the state and they went through the shop down. Chris, our inspector shut
Oh,
down
they
the
found
shop.
when shop did it.
Oh yeah, they finally admitted to when the customer had told us. Like, I need you to tell me who used our number.
Yeah.
Like now.
Who did they separate? Were they putting water or something?
Alcohol.
Yeah.
Did you ever see Catch Me If You Can?
Yeah.
He watched that movie. He was like, I'm doing
He was like, Leonardo's onto something.
We physically can't do anything about it, but if a cop ever were to see it, they can scrape the stickers and tell him he has to get this done.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and offer him a solution, offer to help him out, because obviously that is a big no-no.
Advice for people to not get fake stickers.
Question it all the time. Always look at your stickers when you get them. If they look holographic in the back, they're fake immediately. Or if you see tape on them, no tape should be on a new sticker. Also, if a deal is too good to be true, sometimes it is. But if you come to a store like Midas, definitely come out. We can check out your car. It takes us literally at minimum 30 minutes to check over a car to let you at least know what's going on with it at first. The actual sticker inserts for it, so like they're sticky on the one side, like side A, so that's what sticks on the windshield. Someone probably has fake stickers at their shop for people that will never pass, or won't pass for something simple.
But they want to sell it to them.
Yeah, not a good thing to do. You look at a true sticker. A true sticker will always have your VIN number, wheels that are pulled off in the car, your actual last time of inspection, station number, the date, and the mechanic that signs it. That's your biggest things to check. If you don't have any of that on your sticker, they're fake.
Yeah, you guys are doing great. You got a lot of camaraderie. Everyone gets along.
And
Shops are clean.
Clean shop. I run it like how I run a kitchen when I was a cook.
Yeah.
So keep it clean. Makes everything nicer to work with. Less problems. Now the real test is next month, but we'll see.
Keep climbing and build a team. We get more guys. You probably should. We'll be getting to 4 guys soon. I mean, it all evens out kind of. I eat light.
Eat light. Big dinner.
Yeah, big dinner plans.
Out of 10.
7.
Okay, that's not bad.
DoorDash order, yeah. Who DoorDash the? Yeah, some of the parts vendors use DoorDash to deliver the parts. Yeah, Chris has got a pose with it.
Do you see how it looks like straight? This is called laminar flow.
Yeah, how it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, only 2?
Only 2.
Chris better eat these.
I kind of want to eat one too, but I didn't.
You can have one.
I didn't think it was ethical.
You can have one.
I probably will. The strawberry one's mine.
Just that's strawberry sprinkles. All right, Chris, I'm heading out. I'll see you.
Nice meeting you.
You too. Keep up your
Again,
work.
thanks for lunch.
Yeah, you got it.
Until next time, go Birds.
That's right. Keep up the good work. Appreciate it.
Hey guys.
Be a big 2 days here. 20 grand, right? There we go. Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you, bud.
Is that a Rockies? No. You going in this thing? My daughter, we see these, she makes fun of them. I'll tell her I bought it.